Hey, what's everyone? So today, I just got in the mail this. And if you can't tell from that, which you probably can't, it is a thing of fidget toys that I've been waiting for so long. Well, I've been wanting for so long that I bought yesterday and they came today. So now we're going to open them on camera. I'm going to get Nick's reaction later. I might put it in the video, might not. I might record it, might not. So, looks like a lot of these things are actually a lot smaller than I thought they were going to be. But hey, they're still fidget toys, and they hopefully work as well as I think they're going to. Alright, so, it does not look like... Yeah, some of the stuff is branded with other languages on it, so let's open this thing up. I promise to you, I have not looked at any of these products before, unless it was featured online. So here, these things I thought were going to be the big version of it, that's like this big, but no, they're just penal, like tubes. But yeah, this is, I'll show you what each of these products do once we get them all out of the bag. Let's put this off over here. Hang on, let me move some stuff around. Ooh, okay, there we go. Alright. So I can already see a couple more things that aren't in packages, but here are two little, I'm pretty sure they're called mesh balls. They're pretty much just, it's self-explanatory. It's mesh outside and then a little marble inside. And you just like fidget it with your fingers. And then here's a pea in a pod like thing. These things come out. One of them has a little face on it. Yep. Oh. Sorry. That's my ringtone. So yeah, that happened. Let me check what it is here. Alright. Alright, so we got the little pea in the pot here. I might get more of those text messages later on in the video, but we'll just wait. We got a Simple Dimple, oh, I thought this was going to be a spinner, but it's just a little keychain thing here. You can see the attachment there. Pop. You can pop them in and pop them out. Pretty nice. We got one of these little, like, cube things, which are super satisfying to watch. And now, like, and I noticed fidget toys are, like, a big trend now. That's not why I got them. I just saw them all over YouTube, and I realized how cool they looked. So yeah, these things, I'm pretty sure they're called snakes, and you can, like, connect them, disconnect them, spin them around, do whatever you want with them. We got, oh, yeah, I told you that was going to happen. We got, ooh, that is nice. Finger massager rings. They kind of cut off your circulation when they get to the bottom though. Finger massage rings. Look at that. Oof. Ow. Yeah, it's cutting off my circulation because they're pretty small when it gets to the bottom of your hand. But yeah, if you just roll them, if you just roll them across your hand, it feels amazing. So those ones were out of the package. Here we go. Here's another pea in a pod. Oh, and there's another ring. We got a football stress ball. Nice, nice, nice. And the thing I've been waiting for is here. Or one of the things. Bam. Nice big dinosaur poppet. It looks like in every single video, seems to be including this one. The bubbles look a lot bigger than they are, but I'll show you when it'll be better when it's out of the package. My finger compared to this is almost the same size. Like, poppets are a lot smaller IRL than they look in videos. We got these little, like, pretty much just rubber, stretchy, or no, it's not rubber, it's silicone. Silicone stretchy, silicone stretchy tubes things. Whatever. Put those over here. We also got a unicorn poppet. They're both rainbow. One of them is a dinosaur, one of them is a unicorn. And then we got another one. I think you just saw a glimpse of what I have other in my hand, but we got another massage ring. And then we got a little globe stress ball. Let me squish this one for you. Perfect. They both let out air when they squeeze. When they squeeze. So yeah, now the bag's empty. Yeet. Now the bag's empty. So now we're gonna unbox the unicorn, or unbag the unicorn poppet first here. I do have scissors behind me, just in case I need them to unbox something. Actually, they're right over there. And so yeah, here's the unicorn poppet unboxed. You see what I mean there? Like, ooh, this one's popped. This is my finger compared to, and my fingers, this is my hand compared to my face. Look at that. That's not big. That's teeny. And my thumb can fit perfectly in the unpopped, or in the pop side, or whatever. But they are still satisfying to feel on your fingers while you're popping them. And I like the sound too. Let me just do a little. Oops. Bam. I just popped them all for a little ASMR for you there. Let's yeet the bag. I'm going to put all the already open stuff over on behind me here. Alright, there we go. So now we got our first peanut pod. Rip that top off. Yeet. Ooh. It has two different like attachments to put on somewhere, and then it's all tagged. I think you like name it or something. I don't know what that's for, but whatever it's for, I probably won't use it. I'll just use these. Look at this. This is so cute. It has a little face. It has a little face. Look at that. That's so cute. So you just pop them out. Pop them out. They go straight back in. The two on the side, yeah, the two on the sides don't have a face, but the middle one does. Pretty cool, pretty satisfying. I just noticed that was on my chair. Alright, so now I've got these two mesh ball toys. Yeet. Seriously, yeet. There we go. Okay, so we got this little mesh ball. You just fit it around like that, and it goes to the places, to the different things. And the same with this one, of course. Just two different colors. We got pink, white, and yellow. And on this one we have yellow, pink, purple, and blue. Then we have, now we're gonna unwrap the Simple Dimple keychain. Yeet. Are you serious? There we go. Alright. Yeah, these are, I don't really like the Simple Dimples. Because you gotta, get them to a certain side. And it's really hard to do that. And then you just go. I like that. I like it's going back, but I don't like the fact that it like does the you gotta yeah yeah yeah, and then you can go. I don't like that because on Poppets is way better. You can just do it right away on either side. All right. Now we're gonna open the other Poppet. It's pretty much the same, just a different design. Trying to find where to open it. Here we go. Because on all these fidget toys, I noticed they're packaged. Oh, 1 second. Yep. There we go. All right. But yeah, as I was saying, on all these fidget toys, I noticed they're packaged all the same, where it has like the thing where you can just go like peel up and then you take it out. So yeah, get some ASMR here. So yeah, that's I'm not sure if you exactly heard that, but that's some ASMR. You definitely probably heard the Simple Dimple one. You definitely probably, you know what I meant. We got another piano pod. Let's get that out of the way. There we go. I don't know why I made that sound. Put that over there. Wait. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Yeet. Alright, so we got this little thing. Has the same little face on there. And then 2 others don't have faces. But yeah, pretty nice. You can just carry it to school in your book bag, or with the ballpoint thing, or with the ball thing. You can put it on your keychain. Yeah. And then I'm gonna open up this little cube. I like these things because, well, I've never played with one, but I'm excited for it. That's what I'm trying to get out. Alright, so this is what it came as. You can just go. And then, there we go. Oh my goodness. That looks amazing. I love it. Oh, it's so confusing also. I'm starting to get the hang of it. Look at this. This goes whoop, 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 whoop. And you can just let it go. Like, you can do whatever you want with it. And then this goes, it's folded out like that, like that, like that, and then go like that, and go like whoop, whoop. You can also go like that, and then like that, that. You can like deconstruct it. You can do so many things with this. Use some ASMR down here. Oop. That's not the ASMR that I wanted to do. I dropped it. Anyways, so yeah, we got one of these little cubes. It's not, I don't want to call it a fidget cube because it's not that same thing, but yeah. We got this. I'm gonna unbox these. So right after this, I'm gonna go eat dinner, and then I'm gonna call my friend and see his reaction. What? It's so long. Look at this. And you can shorten it like that. It sounds so weird. Listen to this. That's amazing. Like, and it's. It's like a magic trick. You can all make it disappear into your hand. Look at that. It's just this. And it's the same with all these. That one's even better. Of course, they're not super easy to get down. Yeah, you can do like a magic trick with these things. Make it disappear. Look at that. It's disappearing into my hand. Totally not coming through on the top. Because my hands are too small. But yeah. If you just like, just pull it. And then it just goes. It's amazing. I can't get over how cool this is. And I didn't buy this thinking it would be so satisfying and fidgety, but it sure is. Bam. And you can also go like this with them. And you can extend your fingers. It came off. My finger came off. Ah! Alright, but yeah. This one's another stubborn one. This one's more stubborn than the blue one. There we go. Look at these things. These are crazy. It's amazing. Alright, let's put these back there. And now, last but not least, yeet. We got. I said yeet. We got these. Yeet. There we go. Look at this. That ruined the ASMR. 1 second. Don't. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. ASMR. It makes my eyes twitch when I close them. Look at that. That's crazy, and it's the same with this one. That's amazing. And then you can also connect them up there. Get in there. Come on. There we go. Now they're connected. So you can tighten it like that and wear it as a bracelet. My wrist is teeny, so it doesn't work out a lot for me, like very well for me. I can wear it up here on my bicep. It looks like it's part of my shirt, but it's not. Let me unclip these two now. Oh. No, I did not break it. Do not worry. There we go. Now just like that. It's perfect. I love these things. So yeah, that was the unboxing and review, I guess, of my new fidget toys. So yeah, me and my friend might be doing some trading here soon on the channel. But yeah, other than that, Don't forget to subscribe. Right down there. Comment below. Hashtag Fidget if you liked this video. Hopefully you can comment down below. Say a hot kind of comment down below. Hashtag Fidget Toy. One word, all caps. Just made that up, yeah. Comment down below. Hashtag Fidget Toy. One word, all caps. And we'll see you all in the next video. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like the video if you liked it, dislike if you didn't like it. And we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!